Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. I have something wonderful for you today. I'm starting in my kitchen just to say hi, but we're going to take a little trip to Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm going to do a collaboration with Naija Barbie. We're going to offer you 2 amazing dishes to choose from work, school, whatever you want to do, lunch, dinner. I also want to say thank you so much for your support. We're coming up on a year and I can't believe it. And I like the growth, but I like to see more, of course. But you know what? I'm grateful for all my subscribers and all the new ones that just joined just yesterday and a couple of days ago. Thank you so much, and I look forward to just spending time with you in my kitchen. But like I said, I have to hit the road, guys. Bye. See you in a moment in Charlotte.
Welcome back, Naija Tribe. It's Naija Barbie. We're back today with another recipe, and I'm so excited to have my friend Teresa Neal in the kitchen today. We're going to do some awesome recipes. Teresa, tell them about your channel.
My channel is Vegan with Soul, taking soul food and making it vegan, and I'm so excited to be here with Naija Barbie today in her kitchen.
We have 2 recipes that we're going to do, and we're going to see which one you all like best. So today, we're making curry roasted vegetables with quinoa.
And I'm going to make a Jackfruit Ruben. I never had it before, so we're going to taste this together.
It's both our first time.
Yep, let's get cooking.
1.5 cups of rinsed and drained quinoa to the pot, and I'm going to now add a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, a teaspoon of turmeric, and then we're going to toast this until fragrant.
Well, hello guys, this is Teresa Neal of Vegan with Soul. I am making Jackfruit Ruben today. It's something I've never done. But everything that you need to make this dish will be in the description box below. Guys, I never made this before, so we're going to try this together. While Naija is browning her quinoa, we're going to go ahead and take a can of beet juice and pour over 2 cans of jackfruit. We're going to add our spices. Make sure we coat everything very well. I use a spoon to press everything in, but I do recommend using a Ziploc bag. You can get everything coated very quickly and evenly. So make sure after you do all of this to cover and place in the refrigerator overnight. Once you're ready to cook, make sure you rinse it off a little bit so the seeds can fall to the bottom. And then we're going to place in our skillet and let it cook for about 25 minutes or so, just until it absorbs all the flavors. Back to Naija.
Olive oil on the vegetables and lay it on our sheet tray and roast them in the oven.
That looks good. And delicious. That's gonna be good.
Thanks guys so much for joining us today. It was so much fun collaborating with my friend here, Teresa Neal from Vegan with Soul.
I had a wonderful time today. I really did. We had so much fun behind the scenes. Couldn't capture everything, but we had a ball.
Yes. My kitchen's not very conducive to showing us cooking together, so we made it work and we did as much as we could together.
Yes,
so
we
hope you
did.
guys can still get the gist. Thanks for joining us. Be sure if you haven't done so to subscribe to my channel, hit the red button below. And also subscribe to Teresa's channel, Vegan with Soul.
Thank you,
I'll have
guys.
it linked below in the description box. And if you like this and you want more content like this and more collaborations, be sure to give us a thumbs up. See you next time. We're gonna go eat now.
Amen.
Bro, yeah, brother. Oh, I've been to church.
Thank you, brother.
Oh my. This is so good.
I don't like it.
Do you really?
Yeah, because I'm not a sandwich person. I really eat this.
And you like it?
I do. I can taste it.
That's okay.
Don't cry, little girl.
I like the flavor you have on the jackfruit. I can taste like I taste cinnamon and maybe either coriander or cumin.
But I do good.
Very, very well.
Do that. See how you put some picture of that.
I know. Look, wait. Look. Well, guys, I hope you like the two dishes that we presented to you in this video. She did her quinoa curry roasted veggies, and I did a jackfruit Ruben, which was freaking delicious. Just saying. It was over the top, and I mean, make your mouth water. Like Naija normally don't eat sandwiches. She ate two. I was so excited, and her fiance Damon, he loved it. So I think we both did great, but leave us a comment down below and let us know which one you would prefer. And if you'd like to see more of these collaborations, let me know. But guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye guys.